Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful jute crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is viewers, friends, jute war plant pot. If you have an old plastic or metal pot, don't throw it away. Clean the pot and warp jute rope around the outside. You can add a small bow or some simple flower for decoration. Place your favorite plant inside and you have a beautiful natural looking plant. Jute rope handbag. Jute can be used to create beautiful handmade bags. You can make a round bag or a simple shopping bag or a small handbags. Add a strong handles and decorate the bag with the wooden beads, flower, button or fabric. A jute bag can have a simple and stylish handmade appearance. And we will jute photo frame. So viewers, my next idea, jute photo frame ideas. So friends, and take a simple cardboard or wooden frame and warp the edges with jute rope. Add small flower beads, shallow wooden decoration. Place your favorite photographs inside. This is simple project that can turn an ordinary photo frame into beautiful home decoration. Jute flower wall decoration. So viewers, friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz.